everybody, it's NJT Track Guy. Today is May 21st, 2014, and I am back at 432 Park Avenue for another update. This tower has made a lot of progress. We can see more glass being installed, mechanical floors are being built, and it can be seen in New York. So yeah, it's been a while since I've been here for a full update, and yeah, it looks like a lot of the mechanical floors are starting to be built. More glass is being installed, and it's just gaining a lot of height. So here it is, 432 Park Ave. So yes, we can see more glass and steel being added, as well as concrete being poured. That is more concrete being poured in at the top, as well as more steel wires. Okay, this is Park Ave between 57th and 58th Street. Here it is again. Really taking shape now. Right there is all the glass. The areas where you see gaps are going to be mechanical floors. It looks like another crane has been added here. I believe that crane is to help build the main lobby. So yeah, this crane is building the main lobby. This will only be a few floors though. It's not going all the way up. But here it is again, another New York City marvel in the making. More glass, vents, mechanical floor equipment is being added, and more concrete is constantly being poured at the top. And this tower will be a luxury condominium, luxury apartments, and it will be taller than One World Trade Center. Madison Avenue. I'm now near 6th Avenue. Here's a look at 432 Park Ave from here. There's 157. It looks like 157 is having the construction elevators removed and the glass is being filled in. This is Madison and 55th. Here it is again. I tried to walk a little further away to see if I can see it within New York, but it's still not tall enough yet. Again, Park Ave and 55th Street. Alright, this is just another look from 54th Street.
Says, would you buy this company? And at what price?
We have a company.